So everyone, you've seen that we've chopped it and we've put it into the trailers. So here we are, he's coming down now. So we have Ian here backing up, he's got the tractor and trailer here full of grass. So I'm going to come up here and I'll show you what he does. So once we've put it into the trailer, it's been through the chopper, it's coming to here, and we tip it into the silage clamp. So this is where we stack it all up. So you see it's coming off, it's quite nice stuff. It's got a good bit of moisture in it, it's not too wet, it's not too dry, it's doing just grand. There was a field that was slightly dry, so we put that in the bottom. We thought a bit of moisture might run through it all and sort it out. Because it's just windy and it's just drying it out quick. As you can see, this one's coming out good. So here he goes, dipping off. So he's on one of our tractors, he's on one of the 155s, and then this is a trailer, we borrowed this one, so this is a terrific trailer. And then here we have Durr on the buck rake, and now Durr's going to fetch it up here. So he's got a big loading shovel. I've got a bad feeling about this. So here he comes with the grass. So there he is. So he's on a big JCB. And he's pushing it all up. There's the crow banger, don't worry, I haven't blown a wheel off. We're growing maize over there. It's just to keep them crows off it. So yeah, then what we do is, if you can see there in front of us, that clamp there, that's got a bit of maize in that we're on with feeding at the minute. So once we get all this in here, we roll it down, he'll roll it in. And once it's completely rolled down and packed in tight, we fold these black sheets over, another sheet down the middle, cover it all up, and then put them tyres on to keep the weight down. So it traps it, and it keeps all the air off it. So then it'll stay in here, and the silage will ferment in here. It looks like it's nice stuff, nice sugars in it, and this will be used for feeding the cattle through winter. That's what we're on to today.